Simon and Zito here with the delightful and distinguished Mr. Joe Becqua.
Celebrating what we call Oscar 2020.
Well, everybody calls it Oscar 2020.
But do they call it UK menu? Oscar
No,
20?
no, they don't.
So there you go, Annette. So, Joker.
For Joker, Joker. I did choker for Joker because it sounds pretty angry.
And that's why we called it Angry Artichoke Dip.
Yes, but the anger isn't angry because it's gonna like beat you up.
It's just got a lot of heat to it.
Yeah, just enough, not too much. Oh, I
Oh,
was gonna
sorry.
click him. Click.
I'm too excited. Mmm.
Mm,
Oh, you feel the heat right away.
it's nice, just easy. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.